Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to go ahead and remote start a Honda Accord from 2018 to 2022. So as you can see, this is my beautiful Accord. I love this color, love the way the car looks. This is sport. So here's the key fob. So what you do is, of course, my car is locked right now. Show you guys. It's locked, of course. So what you do, I'm gonna unlock it. And then now, as you can hear that I unlocked it. Unlock it again, it unlocks all the doors. What I'm gonna do is press lock once. You gotta make sure you hear it lock. And then you hold on to this button. Let go. Car turned on. Now, when you go to the car, of course, it's gonna be locked because you locked it. And this is good, especially depending on where you live. Where I live at, I have a garage, as you can see. So, but still, anything can happen, so it locks. So when you go to your car, of course, you'll unlock it. Unlock it once, it unlocks just the driver. Unlock it again, and unlocks all the doors. You do that. Come in. Of course, the car's not fully on, but as it says right there, to start driving, brakes plus push. So you pushing on the brakes and press the start button, and boom, the car's on. There you go. So that's the end of this video. What I'm gonna show you guys next how to do is calibrate the TPMS. That's the tire pressure monitor sensor. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to go ahead and calibrate that. Make sure to subscribe, like. Let's get this channel out there.